there's been identified more than 40,000 components itself. But we knew only about 400. Really the risk on human being. Today,
Dec Group has long been known for containment solutions, right? And in principle, containment's always been about safety. But now it's always also driving access to next generation APIs, right? So how are you looking at containment today as more than just a safety protocol?
Okay, containment is really more like a philosophy. Again, is all to do with how you can protect people, but as well the product itself. For sure, many years people have been protected by wearing masks, personal protection equipment or so, but it has been proved that is not sufficient. And due to the high potency of the product which has been detected, we need better, I would say, operation. When there was new regulation in Europe for the REACH regulation, which is about the manufacturing of chemical compounds, there's been identified more than 40,000 components itself. But we knew only about 400. Really the risk on human being. Today, we implement much stricter operation to protect, I would say, environment and people. And that's why containment is fundamental. To close the process as well will allow not only to protect operator, but as well to have better control of your operation, because removing the operator from the equation will help as well to improve quality. That's why it's a whole operation you have to look at in order that really how can you improve a process at the same time improve safety.
Great. Just add on to it. I think in the entire process, the changeover time per se in this process also get optimized, right, with the optimized process?
That's why containment go with automation. That's why you need to automate the process, the cleanability or so. Mean that you have a really holistic approach of the complete system. And again, the difficulties we face is that this has been a lot of operation has been very manual, with a lot of manual intervention, where you need to open the system to feed, to discharge. But then we say, no, you have a barrier in between the process and the people. You cannot operate the same way. That's why we have to resync all the operation in order to allow people, in fact, to be less part of the process. And that's make a lot of, I would say, change in design. But at the end, at the same time, you improve the full operation, and as I said before, the quality.